Dog care tips and tricks from canine specialists. Adopting a dog is a great idea. They make perfect pets and are incredibly loving. To ensure that your dog is healthy and happy does, however, take some effort. Utilize the great dog care tips discussed in this video to avoid problems and ensure that your doggy lives a happy and healthy life full of fun and joy. Your dog needs a stimulating environment if it is going to live a long and healthy life. Providing him or her with one is not really that hard. Simply make sure you take your dog for walks each day, and purchase a few toys that you and your pet can play with together. If you notice your dog gets dry skin in the winter, you probably need to brush him or her more often. Doing so will get rid of old fur and help get their oil glands working properly. Try brushing once in the morning and once in the evening to see if it makes a difference for your pet. Be careful if you're searching for a new dog on Craigslist or other classified ads. Many people exaggerate the truth in order to unload problems or challenging training issues, and you could end up with an impossible situation on your hands. Only talk to people who are verifiable through vet records and demonstrate positive handling experience. Never give your dog milk. It's not necessary for his body and he doesn't have the proper enzymes to digest it anyway. Feeding your dog cow's milk can lead to chronic diarrhea and leave him with an upset stomach, among other health problems. Stick with plain old water for a healthy and hydrated dog. Dogs make great pets. To be a great pet owner, however, does require some work on your part. Take time to educate yourself on all of the latest doggy care recommendations. Apply everything you learn, including the hot tips from this video, to ensure that your loyal pooch lives a healthy and very happy life. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.